This is our dashboard after installing WordPress multi-site. So first we'll be going to settings, general, change your site title, and if you are having any tagline, you can have a tagline here. And I'll show you how to change the administration email once I have a proper plugin setup. You can change your language here, time zone, and everything, and then just click on save. Once you are done with general, we start doing with writing. So you can have a default post category. So once you have created, it will be going under that particular category. And you can even have a format. So once that is done, next is the video. So in this page, you will be setting up your home page and other stuff. So if at all you wanted your home page to display your latest posts, you can select this option. Or if you wanted to have any specific page, then you can select it here. So we can create a home page and we can have it shown here. So for now, I'll just let it be like the older one, the default your latest post. And here you can select how many posts you wanted to show in a page and the feeds and everything. So here you have an option called search engine visibility. So if at all you check this, you can't make Google bots to crawl your website. So if you don't want your website to get indexed in Google, you can check this uh, option. So how does this option helps you is whenever you're building up some website for your client or for your own business, but you haven't built it properly and it is under maintenance. So you can check this option. So all the pages that whatever you have created won't get crawled by the Google or won't get indexed by the Google, which means even if you create some dummy pages, it won't get indexed. So once you're completely done with all your changes and all your pages, then you can deactivate this option and then just click on save changes. Next comes the discussion. Discussion. This is a page where you can control your comments coming to your website or to your blog posts. So you can go through all these links. That is, you can get notified when someone links to your post, or even you can notify from other bloggers who leaves their link, and you can also allow everyone to submit their comments. So you can even check this point. So if at all you check this, comments older than 14 days will be automatically closed. I mean, it won't be shown in the front end. And if at all I click select this, then the user must be signed up to leave a comment. So if you want users to get signed up to your website, then you can check this option. And this is for your comments page nation. That is, if at all you have more comments, then you can select this option and you will have a page nation kind of thing where you can check from starting to the ending, and you can even categorize it like ascending order or descending order. And this is email me whenever. So whenever someone posts a comment to your post or your page, you will get notified. And whenever a comment is held for moderation, so that is to check whether it is good or not. And you can even check this option to manually approve the comment. So until and unless you see the comment and you approve it, it won't get displayed in your page or post. So you can see this comment author must have a previously approved comment. All this stuff. So you can create your own author here. So like who doesn't have any avatar? So if at all I select this, whoever comments, their icon will be this. I can select this or I can select this. So I'll just go with this. You can even give the ratings here, PGR or X or G. So since it is suitable for all audience, it will be G and just C. Next comes the media. So you can change your thumbnail width and height along with medium and large size. So as per your designing and development, you can change these things. Next comes the permanent. This is nothing but permanent links. So if at all you have multiple options, so your post or pages will be displayed in this format. That is the year it has created, the month and the date along with the name. Apart from that, you can even have only month and name. That is year, month and name, or a numeric. That is each post or page will be given with a specific page IDs. It will be mentioned here, or you can have a post name. That is you can have your post name directly. That is your domain name slash post name or a page name. So this is most preferred if at all you wanted to work with an SEO, like you wanted your website to have an SEO and then save changes. You see, this is you can even have this like if at all you wanted to have some specific categories, you can have anything based like slash topics or slash whatever you want, like slash products or slash latest news, anything you want. Next is the privacy settings. You can create a own privacy page and you can assign it here to use this page, or you can even create a new one. So these are the major settings that we need. So once we are done with this, we will be going to themes and we will be updating our themes. Like we can add any of the themes. So if at all you wanted to add, since we are in multi-site with WordPress application, you just need to go to a network admin and then click on themes. Here you can add whatever theme you wanted. So you can even have a preview and then just get it installed. Or you can even upload your theme which you have downloaded it from your third party providers. So I'll just upload a theme. So this is if I at all I think network enabled. I can see it in my dashboard here. So just go to appearance themes. You see, I can see it here and I can activate it. So I'll just activate the theme. So some themes comes with the predefined plugins, so where you need to activate them. So just click on begin installing activates. Just click on the install apply.